Welcome students, continuing with our exercise 3. Okay, now the heading for the new question is just factorize, and I have something here as a plus b the whole square minus 64. Okay, now there must be some students who must be thinking that a plus b the whole square, तो यहाँ पे square formula apply कर सकते हैं, which we have already learned in our previous and since last two lectures we are learning about it. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, definitely you can apply, but there is another way. Listen here carefully. First of all, in the solution part, I am copying this as it is same. I'm copying this as it is same is equal to this a plus b the whole square minus, but when I have a glance on 64, I definitely come to know that this is something ka square. It's a perfect square, so it's like 8 ka square. Okay, so I have something ka square minus something ka square. So in my submind, if I consider this a plus b for a moment, in my submind if I consider this a plus b as a, एक इंस्टेंट के लिए मैं अपने मन में सोचता हूँ कि ये a प्लस बी नहीं है, ये a है, और ये 8 नहीं है, ये b है. सो दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ a का स्क्वायर माइनस b का स्क्वायर. सो व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला स्टूडेंट्स? वी हैव डन दिस प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम्स दैट a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर क्या होता है? इट्स a प्लस b, a माइनस b. ओके, a square minus b square. See, it's not a minus b the whole square. This is a square minus b square. It's a plus b, a minus b. Many times we have solved this in the previous chapter also. In my submind students, I am considering कि मेरा a कौन है? यहाँ पे in my submind I am considering कि a plus b मेरे a की तरह है और 8 मेरे b की तरह है. तो ये a plus b का स्क्वायर मतलब a स्क्वायर, ये b स्क्वायर, बीच में माइनस है. So it's like a square minus b square students. Okay, now you all tell me what's the formula? Formula है a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, I'll write the formula here. It's what? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. Students, now you all tell me a plus b. What is your a? In this question मेरा a कौन है? a plus b है. तो a plus b ये a की जगह पे आया. Okay, ये a की जगह पे क्या आया? a plus b. This plus की जगह पे plus. And b at the place of b, what's my b in this question? My b is like 8, so 8 in between multiply. Once again, a, what's my a in this question? My a is like a plus b, so at the place of a I'll put a plus b. This minus as it is minus. At the place of b in this question मेरा b कौन है? मेरा b 8 की तरह है, तो it's like 8 for me. So the final answer would be, if I open up the brackets, it would be a plus b plus 8 multiplied by a plus b minus 8. And I'll put this in a box, please. Pause the video, please. Do it fast. मैंने अपने मन में समझा था कि a plus b a है. ठीक है, what I have thought about here कि मेरा a कौन है? a plus b. मेरा b कौन है? 8. तो फॉर्मूला है a प्लस बी a माइनस बी. तो a की जगह पे आएगा a प्लस बी, b की जगह पे आएगा 8, a की जगह पे आएगा a प्लस बी, b की जगह पे आएगा 8. एक बार प्लस एक बार माइनस. That's it. Pause the video please and do it fast. Okay students, now the next question please. 4 upon 81 minus 25x square. Clearly I can see this 4 is a perfect square. 2 का square is 4. 81 एक perfect square. It's 9 का square becomes 81. 25 is a perfect square. 5 का square becomes 25. Okay, और यहाँ तो x square ही है. So let me redefine this and write it as 4 can be written as 2 का square. 8 and 81 can be written as 9 का square. So I'll put a complete square about it. 2 का square 4, 9 का square becomes 81 minus 25 is a perfect square. 5 का square becomes 25, but it is x square over here. So I'll write here 5x the whole square. This is very important step. The square will go on both. So 2 का square 4, 9 का square 81. Square will go on both. 5 का square 25, x का square x square. In between minus as it is. Now students, once again in my submind, I am assuming कि ये 2 upon 9 is like a for me and this 5x is like b for me. Once again please. I am assuming कि मेरा a कौन है in my submind? 2 upon 9. No need to write. You can assume this in your mind. And b कौन है? My b is like 5x. So now, but here the formula is in which pattern? The formula over here is 2/9 का स्क्वायर, आई एम अज्यूमिंग 2/9 एज a, so it's 2/9 का स्क्वायर means a square minus आई एम अज्यूमिंग 5x as b, और ये 5x का स्क्वायर है तो इट्स लाइक b का स्क्वायर, तो फॉर्मूला फॉर a square minus b square, yes, formula for a square minus b square. Okay, I'll continue it over here. I'll continue it over here, please, all of you, because I don't have place, but you just have to do vertically. Okay, come on, please see here, all of you. So, what's the formula? Let me once again write the formula. My formula is, oh, it's written over here. This is my formula. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. In this question, my a is 2/9 and my b is 5x. So, a square minus b square, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? It will be a plus b, a minus b. At the place of a, 2/9 will come because my a is like 2/9. My b is like 5x in my submind. So, a is 2/9 plus, as it is, plus b. What's my b? My b is 5x. My b is 5x. 5x, bracket close, multiplied. My a is what? My a is 2/9, in between minus. My b is what? My b is 5x. Students. Oh, that's it, students. That's it. That's it. Definitely, this is the final answer. That's it. A plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. Okay. Pause the video, please, and do it fast, everyone. Okay. Next question, please. It says a raised to 4 minus b raised to 4. It's pretty simple. See here, whenever we have any powers other than square, we make the immediate power as square. Can I write it as a square the whole square minus b square the whole square? Yes, definitely I can write it. See, what I know in my submind, I'll write the formula in x and y terms so that you all don't get confused. I know a fact that x square minus y square. I have just changed the notations just so that you all are not confused. Okay, we know the fact that x square minus y square is what? X plus y, x minus y. वही है, a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. X square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. In my submind I can think that ये a square मेरे लिए x की तरह है and b square मेरे लिए y की तरह है. Basically this step is very very important. I am marking a star over it कि a raised to 4 को लिखे a square का square, so 2 2 जा 4 हो गया, ठीक है. Just और b raised to 4 को लिखे b square का square. Let me give you one more example. If somebody tells you I have suppose c raised to 6, so you can write it as c raised to 2 and bracket के बाहर 3, because bracket means multiplication. 2 3s becomes 6. Similarly 2 2s becomes 4, 2 2s becomes 4. This is how we can do. Okay, so formula is x square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. In my submind I can say, in my submind, मेरे submind में यहाँ पे मेरा x किसकी तरह है? यहाँ पे मेरा x है a square और मेरा y कौन है यहाँ पे? यार my y is like b square, so it's like a x square y square. Your x is a square and see your y is b square. Amazing, amazing. Okay, so what's the formula? X square minus y square, x plus y, x minus y. X, what's our x over here? Our x is a square plus, as it is plus. Then y, my y is b square. Bracket 1, open bracket close. In between multiplication, x, my x is a square. In between minus, my y is b square. My y is b square. And that's it, students. This is our answer. A square plus b square, a square minus b square. Okay, I have applied the same formula. In the previous sum I used to give you all the formula in the form of a square minus b square, but here because a में confuse हो जाता, that's the reason I gave you x square minus y square. Pause the video please and do it fast. Okay students, now the next question exactly on the same lines. The question says 625 minus p raised to 4. See yes students, 625. Okay, first of all 625 is the perfect square. किसका square होता है? It's 25 का square. 25 का square becomes 625. Okay, so now can I do this thing? And at the place of this 625, can I write as 25 का square? This minus as it is minus. This is p raised to 4. Now as I explained you all of you, जब कभी we have any weird power, even power, weird even power, for example here 4, so I wrote it as a square, then after bracket once again 2, because bracket means multiplication, so 2 2 becomes 4. I also gave you this example over here, an example over here. If at all you have c raised to 6, so immediate wala power we can write 2, or after the bracket I can write 3. Bracket means multiplication, so 2 3s that becomes 6. Okay, like this. I can give you one more example here. Second example I can give you. For example, you have d raised to 8, so you can write it as d to the power of 2. Okay, and here 4, because bracket means multiplication, 2 4s becomes 8. Like that we can do it. Okay, or even you can do like this also, d raised to 4 and then square, but always we make the immediate power as 2. We go with this form. Okay, so p raised to 4 hai, so can I write as p square the whole square? Bracket means multiplication, so 2 2s becomes 4, so it's one and the same. This step is very important, students. This step is very important, and now I can say I am done with my question. In my submind मैं सोचूंगा कि 25 is like a for me and this p square is like b for me. Okay, what's my formula? My formula is a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. इसको xy के टर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. Last time I have written in the xy term. It's one and the same. X square minus y square is x plus y, x minus y. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So now in my submind I will think that मेरा a कौन है? My a is like 25 and my b is what? My b is like p square. Be careful. p square मेरा b है. ठीक है. So the formula says that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Okay, let me write the formula over here once again. A square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, right? Okay, once again, come on fast. So a, what's my a? My a over here is 25, agreed? 25, in between plus. B, my b over here is p square multiplied by a minus b. My a over here is 25 minus b over here is p square. And that's it, students. But I can see something else over here. If you notice, this is completely fine, but यहाँ पे भी I can apply the formula. So please, eyes over here. This is a very, very important question, please. Very important question. See here, students, please. All of you see here, please. See here. This I am copying it as it is same. This part I am copying this as it is same over here. Okay, this is 25 plus p square, because plus में कोई formula नहीं होता है. But over here, pay attention. Here it's 25 minus p square. Can I say, students, with the red color pen I am writing this bracket that 25 is a perfect square. So can I write it as 5 square, and this becomes 5 square minus p square. Why I did not write 5 square over here? Because plus में कोई formula नहीं होता है. हमारे पास formula किसका है? माइनस का. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b. Yes. So plus वाला I don't have any formula. So this I copied as it is. But definitely I can split it more. Here I can say this 5 will act like a for me and this p will act like b for me. So it's a square minus b square formula. A plus b, a minus b. Here my a is 5 and my b is p in my submind. Okay, so this I'll copy as it is. The first bracket I'll copy this as it is. It's 25 plus p square as it is copied multiplied by, okay, all of you see here, it's 5 square minus p square. My a is like 5 and my b is like p. So a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So 5 plus p and 5 minus p. And this is our answer. So amazing question, very, very important question, please. Mark stars over here. I'll mark 3 stars over here, please, all of you. Do it fast, please. Now, students, the next question is z minus 1 the whole square minus 169. I can see that I have a square on one term, but here it's 169. And we all know that it's a perfect square. 169 is a perfect square. Can I say it's 13 ka square 169? Okay, so now what I'll do is, this I'll copy it as it is same, z minus 1 the whole square minus, it's 169. So can I write it as 13 ka square? Yes. And what's our formula? Our formula is, we know this fact that a square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b, right? a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. In my submind I will consider, in my submind के z minus 1 a है and 13 is like b. In my submind मैं समझूंगा कि z minus 1 मेरे a की तरह है और 13 is like b. तो my a is what? z minus 1. My b is what? 13. Okay. Okay, so now can I say it's z minus 1 का square है, तो ये like a square है, minus बीच में 13, b is like 13, so it's b square. And what's the formula? We all know the formula. I wrote here, then too I'm writing it once again over here. The formula is a square minus b square is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, come on all of you, let's do it please, everyone over here. So can I say over here my a over here is z minus 1. Okay, so at the place of a I'll put z minus 1. In between I have plus. B, my b over here is 13, so the place of b I'll just put 13 multiplied by, once again, a, my a over here is z minus 1. In between I have minus sign. Then a b, my b over here is 13. That's it, students. This is the answer. That's it. I can write it once again. I can remove this small inner brackets of z minus 1. So it's z minus 1 plus 13 multiplied by z minus 1 minus 13. Definitely I can solve this. Minus 1 and plus 13. Minus 1 and minus 13. Okay. So this will be please. See this please. Z minus 1 plus 13 is plus 12. Z plus 12 multiplied by z minus 1 minus 13 is minus 14 please. And that's it, students. This is our answer please, all of you. Pause the video please and do it fast, everyone.